Hello everybody, today we're going to show you how to replace the battery on a Hyundai Veracruz that covers the model for 2007 to 2012. This is a prox key, not a prox key, a fob key that goes in and turns. As you can see, this is what sticks in the ignition. So we're going to begin by taking the emergency key out, take a little flathead and separate the remote to get to the battery. Nice and easy all along the edges. Oh. And there you go. As you can see, just this top piece came off. Let me adjust the camera. There we go. So here's the battery. You just pluck it out with the flathead. It is a 2032. We'll take a new battery, put it in, positive side first. Make sure it's nice and centered. This one doesn't have any kind of clipping, so you just gotta kind of center it. And we're going to connect it back to the key fob. Click it in place, and we're all done. As you can see, we're getting the signal, so the battery is in there correctly. Slide the emergency key back in, and we're good to go. Hyundai Veracruz, how to replace a battery. Thank you for watching.